Today I will show you how you can block a customer on Shopify, so let's get into it. You will open up your Shopify and then you can go to apps and you can go to your app store. So here we are on Shopify App Store, and here you have to search for an application known as Fraud Filter. So here we have Fraud Filter. This creates custom filter to help you prevent frauds. So I'm going to select this one, and then you have to click on Add App. Then click on Install App. And here we have our own fraud filter. So we will add a new filter and we can add a filter name. So we can go with like cancel order or warning. So if it's like a fraud, you can cancel order quickly by taking an action. And then you can add different rules as well. For example, we can select an email address and then what operation we want to do. And then we can add the value as well. So once you're done, you can create a filter like this, and this will allow you to filter customers and block few customers that frauds, and if they are not sincere and they're not actually customers, so this application will stop them and block them from ordering on your Shopify store, and it will save you time and keep your store safe.